Welcome to section 2. This section, right now, I'm going to provide you an overview of how to lower your interest rate so that you don't waste any money and pay off your loans as fast as possible. This is a big section, so I'm going to be providing you a lot of information and really giving you the outline of this section. Now, really fast though, remember that in step 1, we just created our debt-free goal. So make sure that you have that goal with you. And that goal is, for example, I will pay off $100,000 in 2 years or less. Now we're going to be moving on to step 2 in this debt-free framework, which is lowering your interest rate. So you probably have an interest rate of, say, 7% or 9% on a $100,000 loan. If you're just paying the minimum, that's actually $7,000 to $9,000 in interest that you are being charged every year. So it is vital to try to lower your interest rate, and that's what this section is all about. Now, here are the topics we're going to cover. We're going to cover what are interest rates and why it is so important to lower your interest rate. Then we're going to go into what is refinancing and how you can lower your interest rate by refinancing. Then we're going to go through the exact steps to improve your credit score to get the lowest interest rate possible. And then lastly, I'm going to be walking you through step by step by step, holding your hand as we get you refinanced at the very best rate. The goal is by the end of this section, you will have the lowest possible interest rate on your loans and save thousands of dollars and really make your journey to debt freedom faster and cheaper.